I converted this place to be my personal gallery. And then, so here we are. So starting from here, this is me, my family. This is my great-grandfather, the first emir here. And this is my own line up to my father here and myself. And then another Emir Ali, that's his line, Emir Bakr. So, and this is my mother. She's from the Sokoto Rodian house. And this is her own lineage here out. Okay. So this is my family tree. So from there, at least, everything about me here, up to the grandchildren. So everybody is here within my immediate household.
Has anybody followed you into the diplomatic corps?
No. I have 5 children, a boy and 4 girls. Here in Zaria, we have 4 ruling dynasties. So whenever the stool is vacant, any member of the 4 ruling dynasties is eligible to contest for so it's a level playing ground. Okay. Whoever emerges from any of the 4 dynasties, yes. Like, I did not succeed my father. I succeeded my father-in-law here from another ruling house. So me and my wife, we don't have any blood relationship.
You're the first one in 100 years.
Yes. My grandfather to myself, that's right, yes. So that's how Zaria is structured, unlike other emirates. And that's a list of all the emirs that, served in this emirate from 1804 to date. The flag bearer there is my great-grandfather, my father's grandfather. So up to date, the dates. And these are from the 4 ruling dynasties, and we are all unrelated. So when I was working with the mint, there I was, we were the 4 executive directors. I was in charge of corporate services, Baba was in charge of finance, Desmond, operations in Lagos, Umar, operations in Abuja. So we were printing Nigerian currency at that time.
I had one of
different types. Oh, okay.
I had one of these back in the UK for my visit 20 years ago.
Oh, okay. But what we don't have now, the coins, and some of this. So this is the mint. Okay, this is the family, my grandfather and my father and I. And this is the Nigerian foreign ministers from 1960 up to Geoffrey Onyema. Yes. The Prime Minister, Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, was the first Minister of Foreign Affairs. He doubled as Prime Minister and Foreign Affairs Minister. And my father was the first Minister of State. In 1961, Balewa stepped down as Foreign Minister. They appointed Dr. Jaja Wachukwu. And he retained his position as Prime Minister. So in 1965, they dropped Jaja Wachukwu, and my father took over as the minister after the coup in 1966. And he was succeeded by General Gowon under General Iransi then. So this is how we have up to the 27th. The 28th is Tuga that just left now, and then this lady just came in. So 2 are missing here.